Have you ever wondered about the benefits of grapeseed oil? This humble byproduct of winemaking is a treasure trove of nutrients, boasting an array of health and skincare benefits. From its antioxidant power to its anti-inflammatory properties, grapeseed oil is a marvel of nature. It's a skincare wonder that doesn't clog pores, a heart health supporter, and even a potential aid in weight management. With its impressive nutrient profile, grapeseed oil is indeed nature's elixir. Imagine having a single natural product that caters to all your skincare and hair care needs. And voila! Grapeseed oil comes to the rescue. A skincare marvel, this light and non-greasy oil is an excellent moisturizer that won't clog pores, making it ideal for every skin type. Its rich antioxidant content helps fight signs of aging, reducing wrinkles, and promoting a youthful, radiant complexion. But the benefits don't stop at the skin. Grapeseed oil's antibacterial properties aid in healing wounds and minor skin irritations. Transitioning to hair care, this versatile oil works wonders. Its moisturizing properties make it a fantastic natural conditioner, adding shine, strength, and vitality to your locks. Whether you're battling dryness, frizz, or lackluster hair, grapeseed oil can be your go-to remedy. With grapeseed oil, achieving healthy skin and lustrous hair is more than a possibility. It's a reality just waiting to be embraced. Step into the world of grapeseed oil and unlock nature's elixir for skin and hair. But the wonders of grapeseed oil extend beyond superficial beauty. This elixir is an antioxidant powerhouse. It's teeming with compounds that protect our cells from damage, boost our immune system, and support heart health. Grapeseed oil contains heart-friendly linoleic acid and is rich in vitamin E, a known immune system enhancer. But it doesn't stop there. Some studies suggest that grapeseed oil may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potentially helpful ally in the fight against diabetes. Its linoleic acid content may also assist in weight loss efforts by boosting metabolism. Moreover, the antioxidants found in grapeseed oil can protect brain cells from damage, supporting cognitive function. The oil is also rich in vitamin K, contributing to bone health and possibly reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Some research even indicates that the antioxidants in grapeseed oil may help prevent certain cancers. Clearly, the health benefits of grapeseed oil are as diverse as they are impressive. So ready to unlock the magic of grapeseed oil? From boosting your immune system, promoting heart health, to enhancing your skincare routine, this versatile elixir truly does it all. Its antioxidant-rich profile not only fights signs of aging, but also supports brain health, bone strength, and might even aid in cancer prevention. Whether used in cooking, applied to skin, or incorporated into your hair care regimen, grapeseed oil is a natural powerhouse. Remember, the key to health and beauty might just lie in a bottle of grapeseed oil.